Eskom imemezele ukuthi uhlelo lokucishakonga ugesi luzoqhubeka kuze kube ihora lesihlanu ekuseni ngolwesihlanu. Kepha lolu hlelo angeke lube khona kumasipala wase-Thekwini njengoba lesifundazwe sibhekene nenhlekelele yezikhukhula.
We have done assessment of the Eskom grid, bearing in mind that we supply to municipalities in KZN. By and large, our grid from an Eskom perspective is still intact. We have some minor interruptions, isolated areas where there are short-term interruptions. We have offered our assistance to municipalities in KZN to help with spares, with maintenance crews. Those discussions are ongoing. We are also liaising with the MEC, Mr. Pillay, in order to enable us to coordinate our assistance through the disaster management of KZN. So we're doing everything that we can. We've made an arrangement with eThekwini municipality, and we are not implementing load shedding